Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today we are going to continue our lesson in subtractions. Okay, today subtraction will involve regrouping. Okay, before this we already learned about subtraction without regrouping. Example, this question, 15 minus 4 equal to what number? So as usual, we need to change standard written method, number sentence to standard written method. So as usual, we make it place value first, tens and ones, right? And then we need to put the number to the correct place value. Okay, this is 15. So we put 1, 5. 1 at tens, 5 at ones. Minus 4. Okay. Underline. Okay, after we change from number sentence to standard written method, we can calculate. Okay, so we calculate at ones first. We have 5 minus 4. 5 is a larger number compared to 4, right? 5 is a big number, can minus 4. So big number can minus 4. So we just minus as usual 5. So you take out 5 finger, minus 4. 5 minus 4. So how many left? So 1. So we put here 1. Okay, at tens we have 1. 1 minus 0. No number means 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 11. Okay, this is subtraction without regrouping that you already learned before this. Okay. Now I will show you how to calculate subtraction with regrouping. Maksudnya kat sini nanti dia kena pinjam-pinjam Okay, example. The question is 20 minus 6 equal to what number? Okay, first as usual we write the place value, tens, 1. Okay. And then we put the number to the correct place value. Okay, 20. So 2 at tens, 0 at ones. And then minus 6, 1 digit. So we put at ones. 6. Okay, and then we underline. Okay. First, we calculate ones first, right? Okay, ones we have 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. Can we minus 0 minus 6? 0 is a small number. Can small number minus 6? No, cannot. So we can't minus if like this. So what you need to do is we need to change 0 to a larger number. How to do? We need to borrow from tens. Borrow 1 ten. 1 tens means 10. Okay, kita kena pinjam 1 tens from tens place. Okay, so first we look at tens. Tens we have 2 tens. We have 2 tens. 2 means 2 tens means 20. Remember, 2 tens means 20. So tens we have 2 tens. So tens lend 1 tens to ones. Dia pinjamkan 1 tens to ones. Mula-mula ada 2 tens and dia pinjamkan 1 tens to ones. Okay. 2 tens lend 1 tens to ones. Dia pinjamkan 1. Okay, now Just now 2 tens, length 1 tens to 1, so 2 bagi pinjam 1, so tolak 1 lah. 2 minus 1 tens. 2 tens minus 1 tens. How many left? Yes, 1 tens left. So 2 left 1 tens now. Sebab dia dah bagi pinjam dekat ones tadi Okay, now look at ones. Okay, ones already have 1 tens and 0. Okay, remember 1. Okay, 1 means 1 tens means 10. 1 tens, 1 tens tu maksudnya 10 tens. So 1 maksudnya 10 kan? Okay, 10 plus 0. Okay, plus 0. So the answer is 10. So total ni nombor ni sebenarnya 10. Okay, 1, 0 ni actually is tens. So dah ada 10 lah kat sini. So dia dah jadi besar. Dah jadi 10. Okay, so now it's already 10. 10 minus 6. Baru boleh minus. 10 minus 6. 10. Okay, keluarkan jari awak. 10 minus 6. So how many left? Yes, 4. So you write here 4. Okay. Remember, this number is 10 actually. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, now look at 10. Tens we have 1 already. 2 tadi dia dah bagi pinjam kan? 2 bagi pinjam 1, so 1 left. So 1 tens. So 1 minus 0. The answer is 1. So you bring down here 1. Okay. So now the balance is 14. So you put here 14. Okay. Okay, let's see another example. Okay. The question is 46 minus 8 equal to what number? Okay, 46 minus 8 equal to what number? First, we need to change number sentence to standard written method. As usual, we put the place value first. We have tens, ones. Okay, then we put the number at the correct place value. 46, 4 we put at tens, 6 we put at ones. Then minus 8, 1 digit, so we put at ones. Right? Underline. Okay, underline. Right. Now, as usual, we count at ones first. Ones we have 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. 6 is a small number compared to 8. How come 6 can minus 8? So what you need to do? You need to make it 6 a larger number, a bigger number than 8. Kena tukarkan dia dalam nombor yang besar lah. So how to do? We borrow 1 tens from tens place. Okay? So now look at tens place. We have 4 tens. We have 4 tens. 4 means 40 kan? Okay, kat tens ni ada 4 tens. So dia bagi pinjam 1 tens. Bagi pinjam 1 tens. Dia bagi pinjam 1 tens dekat ones ni. Okay. So 4 tens bagi pinjam 1 tens. So dia bagi pinjam pinjam 1 tens. So you put here. Dia bagi pinjam 1 tens. So you put 1 here. And then 4 tens. 4 tens dah bagi pinjam 1 tens. So how many left? 3. So at tens dia dah jadi 3. Kan? Tadi ada 4 and then bagi pinjam 1 tens. Dia bagi pinjam 1 tens. Dia baik hati dia bagi pinjam 1 tens. So 1 tu dah bagi pinjam kat sini. So you put 1 here. So from 4 bagi pinjam ones, so left 3 tens. So you change 4 to 3 now. Okay. Boleh? Okay, so now as I said before this, 1 ten. Okay, at once we already have 1 tens and 6, right? 1 tens. Okay, apa? 1 ten. 1 tens means 10. Kan? 1 ni maksudnya 10. 1 ten means tens. So dah ada tens plus dengan 6 ni. Plus 6. 0 plus 6, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. So sebenarnya this number is 16. Okay, this number is 16. Sebab dia dah tambah dah. 110 ni. 10 plus 6, 16. So this number actually is 16. Okay, 16. So dia dah jadi besar lah. 16 minus 8. So boleh tolak. 16 minus 8 already can subtract. Sebab dia dah besar. Nombor dia dah besar. Okay, so 16 minus 8. 16. So jari kita ni, so how many? We only have 10 finger, right? So it's hard for us to calculate. So what we need to do is we do like this. Okay, you need to remember 8 in your head. Okay, remember 8 in your head, and you need to count on from 8 to 16 to find out this answer. Okay? Okay, let's count. Okay. Remember 8 in your head, close your finger. Okay, 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop. Sampai 16 je stop. Stop. Okay, so now look at your finger. How many? 8 finger, right? So the answer is 8. The answer is 8. Okay. Now look at tens. Tens we have 3 now. Okay, 3 minus 0. No number means 0. 3 minus 0. So the answer is 3. You just bring down 3 here. Okay. So the balance is 38. So you copy back here. 38. Okay. Okay, next. Look at another example. Okay, this example is 22 minus 4. 22 minus 4 equal to what number? Okay. As usual, we need to change this number sentence to standard written method. Okay. First, we write tens and ones. Place first. Tens, ones. Okay. Now, we put the number to the place value. 22. 22, 2 tens, 2 ones. Okay. Minus 4. 4 one digit. So, we put at ones. Okay. As usual, gariskan lah. Okay, now we calculate ones first. Ones we have 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Can 2 minus 4? Cannot, because 2 is a smaller number than 4. So we need to change 2 become a larger number. So how to do? We need to borrow from tens. Okay, kita pinjam tens daripada tens ni. Okay. Now look at tens place. We have 2 tens. 2 tens. 2 tens mean 20, right? So kita bagi pinjamkan tens ni, dia ada 2 tens. So pinjamkan 1 tens. Pinjamkan, dia baik hati. So pinjamkan 1 tens. Okay, 2 lend 1 tens to 1 place. So dia bagi pinjam 1 tens. Dia bagi pinjam 1 ten So we put 1 here. And then at 10 place, 2 already lend 1 tens to 1. So it left 1. Dia dah tinggal 1 lah. 1 ten. Dia dah bagi pinjamkan tadi. 2 bagi pinjam 1. So tinggal 1. Okay. So now the value is 1/10. Okay. Now we go back to ones place. Okay, at ones place we already have 1, 2 means, okay, 1 10 equal to 10, right? 1 yang merah ni, 1 ni equal to 10. Okay, plus dengan 2. Plus 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 1. So the total is 12. So this number actually 12. Okay, 12. So dia dah nombor dia dah besar. So it can minus. Okay, 12 minus 4. So dah boleh minus. Okay. But the figure is more than 10. So it's hard for us to do the normal subtractions. Okay, so what we need to do is remember 4 in our head, and then we need to count on from 4 to 12. Okay, remember 4 in your head, 4. Okay, close your finger. So 4, count on to 12. Okay, ready? Okay, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, stop. So now how many finger? 8. 8. We have 8. Okay. Okay, now tens. The new tens already have left 1 tens. 1 minus 0. So we bring down 1 here. 1. So the answer is 8. 18. So we copy back here 18. Okay. Okay. Now we can apply this method to your activity in activity book. Okay, page 102 and 103. This one, okay. Okay, for 102, more subtraction. Activity 1, we have 2 question 1 and question 2. Okay, for question 1, we have A, B, C and D. Okay, this question is already give you a box. So you just put the number to the correct place value here. Then you can minus. Okay, example, I give you example B, 32 minus 8. Okay, there are blocks here, so you can refer the blocks also. So 32, so we put at the correct place value 32, so we put here 3 2 minus, okay, minus 8, so we put here 8. Okay, now we can calculate 2 minus 8. Can or not? Can 2 minus 8? Cannot. This is a small number. Cannot minus big number. So we need to borrow 1/10 from tens place. So kita pinjam lah. Okay, so pinjam sini 1. Okay, so 3 is already left 2 sebab dia dah bagi pinjam. 3 bagi pinjam 1, so left 2. Okay, 3 potong sini, left 2. Okay, so we go back to ones back. Okay, ones we already have ones and 2. As I said before this, 1 means 10. 1/10 means 10, kan? So plus 2 plus dengan ni 2. So the total is 12. So 1, 2 ni maksudnya 12. Okay, 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. So dah boleh tolak lah sebab dia dah besar. 12 minus 8. Okay, remember 8 in your head. So we need to count on from 8 to 12. Okay, close your finger. Okay, remember 8 in your head. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, stop. So we the answer is 4. So we put here 4. Okay. Then tens we have 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. So we bring down here 2. So the answer is 24. Okay. So you can do C and D like this. Okay. Put the number at the correct place value. Okay. For number 2, you need to do on your own standard written method here. Buat macam ni lah. Kena buat standard written method sendiri. Okay. Sama je cara dia. Okay. For page 103. Okay. The question is, help the rabbit. Okay. Help the rabbit get the correct, the carrot. Help the rabbit get the carrot. Subtract. Draw the root for the rabbit according to 8, 18, 28, 38, 48 and 58. Okay, so kat sini nak tahu root dia yang mana satu, you need to count first lah. Kira dulu semua ni. Buat macam teacher ajar tadi. Macam biasalah, 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, sini 1, sini tens kan? Okay, 1, sini tens. So at 1 minus 3. Boleh ke tak boleh? Tak boleh. So we need to borrow from tens. Pinjamlah. Dia pinjam sini. So dia pinjam 1. So letak 1 sini. So sekarang ni 1 tens. Dia dah bagi pinjam 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Tens ni jadi 0. Okay, so sekarang 1 sini dah ada 10 dengan 1. Okay, 1 ni maksudnya 10 kan? Cikgu ajar tadi kan? 1 ni maksudnya 10. So dia plus dengan 1 dia. So 11. So sini dah jadi 11. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. Okay, 11 minus 3. So as usual, we remember 3 in your head. 3, close your finger. So you count on from 3 to 11. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So the answer is 8. Okay. So sini 0. Tak ada apa-apa. Tens ni 0. So sini kosongkan je. So the answer is 8. Kira lagi. Kira sampai habis. Nanti boleh colourkan dia punya root. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you can do page 102 and 103. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Selamat mencuba.